Today we are finally getting into Temu with my first huge beauty haul. I'm excited. Okay, I hope I ain't buying floss. So before we get into this huge Temu haul, I would like to give you all an opportunity to get 30% off. It's for new users only. My discount code will be on the screen. So that way you don't have to pay the full price, and there is free shipping. But you know what's better? Free shipping and 30% off. Okay. The link will be in the description box below, as well as my code. Think of this as my gift to you all. Now let's take a look at this haul. Look what came in today. We got Temu. I opened it. I looked at a few items, but not everything. So let's get into it. Finally, the time has come. I got bit by the Temu bug. I have peeked at about 2 or 3 items. It was the hardest thing to not go and rip through everything. So it comes here in these bags, and I got a little bit of everything. This is the clothing portion, which I will save for last. Inside the bag, black, and you know that. I like the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. Love it when they take the time, the delicacy to. We have some nail files here, the 100-180 grit. It's a pack of 5 here. I mean, just going through the site, I took the time to actually go through and really see if I could restock stuff that I'm needing. And so nail files, you know, we gotta have that. We gotta have that. I'm on my last leg, and you know how it is when you're on your last leg or something, you need to restock and you haven't had a chance. This is the perfect place. It's a nail tech's dream. I'm not a nail tech, and I like to do my own to save a coin. So we have matte liquid lipsticks. These definitely look bigger in the packaging than I thought. Come to find out, I was in need of some new matte lipsticks anyway. They label them as gloss, 12 colors lipstick, waterproof, long-lasting, natural matte. So much easier than the tube of lipstick that looks like it's, you know, the beeswax formula. 12 here. I'm just trying to figure out which one I'm gonna go for first, because there's a lot of very complimentary shades we have here. I have one of these designated just for when I do my pedicures, but this will be designated perhaps for my face. We'll see what we'll do. This is a purple. I was trying to find pink and everything. If you notice a thing. Purple electric facial cleansing brush, facial massage, and it's 5 pieces of interchangeable heads. So massage, this is probably the exfoliate sponge. Wow, that's probably exfoliating. I mean, it's nice. It's nice. I believe this is battery operated. Sand, massage head, massage wheel. To what type of batteries this takes. But it definitely has that little covering that removes it off. So that lets me know it's battery operated. Are reusable makeup remover echo pads. So they're eco friendly. Makeup remover echo pads, reusable bamboo makeup remover pads. A little bit of repetition words. Definitely a restock I appreciate. And the neatest part is, comes in a storage pack here. Now it looks larger in the photo, and there's 12 of these. And they look like they're microfiber. They look like the powder puffs, that clamshell pressed powders, back when pressed powders were a thing before foundation and everything, a full face took over. And they just look like this. You can use these and throw these in the wash. They're reusable. I really love the hemming on the inside of that, on the outside rather. And they come in different colors. 3 of the blue. 3, 6, 9, 12. in this cute little drawstring bag. And I like how it's not enclosed in, it's breathable. Because when we talk about removing makeup, baby, that'll allow it to just dry once you've used these and put them in the wash to use them again. They'll dry out really great, and this is a great storage tool. You could probably, perhaps, if you have a shelf in the bathroom, hang this up on the wall, right in the bathroom, right next to your mirror, wherever you have it. That's convenient. Works. I am so glad I decided to wait until I got this, because we have scrunchies. Well, hair ties, they probably call them now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 20 pack. 20-piece hair ties, high elastic, thick hair bands, soft, colorful, not hurt. This is perfect. Braids. Yeah, and it's in different colors. Now, I do wish there was some chocolate in there, maybe some gold and brown shades. I had been looking a while before I decided to go ahead and pop this in my cart. Really nice. Just additional tools, and I'm just, Temu is a godsend. Because I've always wanted these to do my pedicures with. This is a whole pedicure set. I was trying to find pink, of course, darling. I just chose what would work with what I have. Professional pedicure tool set, 7 IN. 1 stainless steel foot care kit. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I believe this is for the bottom of the feet to get rid of the dead skin. We got a nail file, another to go with the 5 I have. I believe this is like an emery board. This one here. I don't know what this is for. Really interesting. For the bottom of the feet too. Just a nice overall set of everything. And I was needing one of these cuticle cutters. I don't know what this circular thing is. Cuticle cutters. It just adds something extra to it for those cuticles to be properly trimmed. Poly gel set. This is in the shade Classy Goddess. I wish it was a different name, but hey, it looked way bigger on the package. Came with some nail forms that I'm probably not going to use. The brush comes with the slip solution and the instructions. And it's real glittery, like glittery more than my current set here. Like that iridescent glitter, like that. We'll see. Definitely look bigger in the picture. If I can get this open. No. Here's what the packaging looks like. This is an eyeshadow palette. And this is so stinking cute. Now this is clear, a clear border, but on the packaging, it looks like this border was like a nice creamy golden brown. A little sad that it wasn't, but you know what? I ain't mad at it. We got glitter here. Couple of tones that I'll be able to work with that already go with my current aesthetic theme. And it's a way for me to explore different shades without buying those big palettes until I'm ready to actually commit to something new. Definitely need to restock these, and I was hemming and hawing, and I was going to purchase them from somewhere else. And then I saw these are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. 12 Gradient Beauty Eggs Soft Makeup Sponge Egg Dry Wet Use. These are beauty blenders, beauty sponges. But baby, they're too pretty. I don't think I'm ever gonna touch this one. It gonna take an act of God for me to touch it. It's ombre beauty blenders. Like, just keep this on display. It is gorgeous, and the rest of them are like that too. Like what a way. Like I wish they had it where, in addition to having the mixed color, that also they have it where you can get it all one color. Like in case I wanted just all of this blue, they would be all on display and me never use them because they're gorgeous. I don't know what it is about this blue and purple. I don't want to use it. The rest I can probably deal with, but I don't want to use nothing else. It's a pack of 12. Because while I use a brush, why? I have been wanting to get one of these since I saw them spike in popularity sometime last year. Vent Detangling Hairbrush, Simple and Durable Anti-Static Hair Comb. It's a detangling brush. It has this little part here that I'm not sure what it's for. But really good for detangling hair. And pink. In case you haven't noticed, pink. 2-in-1 mascara and eyeliner. This is the mascara on one side, and this is the eyeliner on the opposite side. So it's supposed to have thick curls, and it's supposed to last 36 hours. I don't know when I would need to have my eye makeup on point for 36 hours. I just, maybe one day I'll be able to put it to the test. We'll see. I bought magnetic lashes months and months later because I didn't want to take the risk with the, it wasn't glue, but I was still nervous. Like, packaging is nice, cute, pink. Notice the thing. Got 2 clothing items. This yellow. Okay, I hope I ain't buying floss. So this is a shirt here. Okay, it ain't floss. And on the back, it's crisscross. Now, of course, I'll wear a tank top underneath, or maybe my braids will be enough to cover it. But yellow, I definitely recommend it. You chocolate, you got a lot of milk, yellow will pop it all the way. And with me, I don't know about anybody else, I'm gonna put this through the wash before I officially wear it. Definitely going to do that. Believe this was gray, a gray color. Oh, sea blue. Here I am thinking the whole time it was gray, looking at the order, tracking it, because you know, once you place an order for anywhere, you got your eye on it every day. When is it coming? When is it coming? Why are they on the tracking? You're waiting for them to update the tracking history. It takes time. Good things take time. And baby, these are good things. I like racerback, crew neck, or whatever they call them, tank tops. This is sea blue. This would be perfect for me to wear. I mean, you know, heading out to the store. And this is definitely going through the wash as well. I like to get them in a size medium, not necessarily small, so that way whatever jeans I'm wearing, I like to cover my butt because, you know, hello. I have shared with you all my Temu haul. If you guys would like to see more, I got a playlist here that you might want to take a look at. My discount code and link will be in the description box below. Love you.